Landing pages are a skill most designers don't have. From bad alignment, completely random visuals, horrible copy, and basically no thought into the flow of the landing page at all. My new landing page course is dropping tomorrow and it will cover all the secret processes and techniques that I've learned since at least 2009. How to design for maximum conversion, how to plan and structure the landing page, and how to create visuals that amplify the message of the page. Over the years, we worked on banking and financial landing pages all the way to Nickelodeon's campaigns with SpongeBob and the Ninja Turtles. That gives us enough perspective to create a landing page in any category. These pages have attracted millions of views worldwide, and we basically know what works. We know our shit. The course also covers multiple different ways to do each and every section, from software as a service, feature-rich headers, all the way to the human touch and photo backgrounds. I give you a blueprint and a step-by-step guide on how to create these elements, but then you can switch them, mix and match them, and create something completely unique and completely your own. Pre-order ends tomorrow, so grab it now and become a unicorn designer. Link in the description.
Got me upside